Today, we're looking at a Hot Wheels drop race jump. It comes with all of these pieces that are shown here, and Easton got it for Christmas today. You can see here that he has opened it already.
Welcome back, guys, and we're doing the drop race jump. We have a drop race jump with some regular track here. Anyways, moving on, we have some basic track, kicker loop, some more of this track, and then another loop, and then more basic track. And so we're gonna send this Mini Cooper down through here and see if it can hit this pillow. So close. Well, apparently we can hook this up to here. And the kitties are in here. Hey, princess. And here we go. Okay, let's try this. Wait, I just found something really cool. He had to stop and show the kitties. Oh, we haven't named them yet.
How old is this kitty?
I don't know. And there's Princess walking around.
There's the mama.
Merry
Hi there,
Christmas.
sweet kitty.
Merry Christmas, kitty. Merry Christmas. Do you like the people in here? Where's Griffin dog? Thank you.
She might be on the ground, I don't know.
I'll go check. Where's Princess?
While Hot Wheels is a family favorite, the kittens always win out with Easton. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day, guys.